Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DRYS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to use this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've been doing this analysis on a very routine basis. Did it yesterday, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. And a few little updates here, and not a whole lot has changed. Sure, the price pulled back, but this is where perspective does come into play. What do I mean by that? Well, if you are a day trader and you bought right there and you're hoping to sell within 11.2 seconds, then for you, yeah, the chart is looking pretty rough. But if you care about the bigger picture of things, then the bulls are still in control. They still have plenty of opportunity to build a higher low, and with those higher lows are how the long-term uptrends are built. So again, it is a matter of perspective. I'm going to be talking about things and doing this analysis from a bigger picture type point of view. So on that note, things are still bullish. The easiest way to, for me to kind of justify saying that things are still bullish all revolves around these two moving averages right here, that pink line, which is the 200 period, and then the purple line right there, which is the 50 period. You can see the price is still above both of those. In fact, in one portion right there, price dropped down, bounced right off that level, but ultimately closed up above them. And that's why I still say that, yeah, the price is pulled back. Yeah, it's a relatively deep pullback, both in the grand scheme of things. Let's just say this happens. Price comes down here, bounces around this area a little bit more, and then heads back up. Even after a deeper pullback like that, you'd still have a set of lows right there. You'd have that set of lows right there. You'd have that set of lows down there. You picture each of these as stair steps, and the stair steps are still progressing in the upwards direction. So if you haven't kind of connected those dots, those moving averages definitely important areas of support going into tomorrow. As far as resistances are concerned, the one update here that needs to happen is based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance, and that's actually already happened a couple of times today. So the price was hanging above there, but you can see after the price broke below it multiple times right there, tried to get up above it and couldn't quite do it. So initial area of resistance going into tomorrow, $1.65. So all in all, the chart is still healthy. The uptrend still has an opportunity to remain intact. So we'll see how the bulls close out the week tomorrow. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.